Hi, in this video I will show how to use desktop application for converting pipe delimited files to CSV files. Pipe delimited files, it's usually files separated by pipe symbol, and they're a pain to work with. You cannot open it into Excel, and in this video I will show you how to convert this pipe delimited file into CSV, so it can be opened in Excel file and processed by different apps and imported. So here I have a pipe delimited file. Let me open it with Notepad. So you can see it contains information about states, regions, subregion, state code, all separated by pipe. And first row usually is the name of the columns, and then all data from Alabama to Wyoming here. And I will convert it into CSV. In order to do that, I will install app from my website. This is my website. To find application, I'll click on search and type pipe to get all pipe application, and I need this one, convert pipe file. Then click on pipe delimited to CSV and click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. Then click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI Insight archive to start installation, click on more info here. I am getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. Now you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop right here, so I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step I have to select input file. I'll click on select on this button and navigate to my pipe states pipe delimited, click on open and click on next step. There are no conversion options on second step. If you think of any conversion options, how they can tweak conversion process, please let me know. I will add it in my next version of the application. Right now just click next step and run on final step, and it's asking me for name and location result file. This name and location is okay. Just click save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's see the CSV file. I can open it with Excel. I don't have Excel, Microsoft Excel, but I have Excel Mobile, and it's just a read-only version of Excel with limited functionality. But you can see I have all states imported from Alabama to Wyoming and visible into Excel. So yeah, basically that's it. The application also supports bulk conversion. I can call it from command line and specify a pipe file and a result file, and it will convert automatically without even displaying anything. Also, I can add it to scheduler, or I can create batch file if I want to convert all CSV files, all pipe delimited files into CSV files in a current folder, for example. Yeah, basically that's it. I will be recording more videos on pipe delimited formats and conversions, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.